What? Oh, for the love of gods, let there be water somewhere!
Gods? Did someone say gods? I have water.
Stop, Poseidon. Haven't you learned? Humans don't drink salt water. What they need is a refreshing bottle of pure life. Here, child, have some.
Thank you, wise and generous Athena.
Wait. Where did that come from?
We don't live in the ancient world anymore, Poseidon. Here, come follow me and we can see how we make these small, convenient bottles here. But before we go, let's put on our safety gear. Oh man, you really are behind the times.
The process of putting water into bottles starts with getting water into the factory. Blue Trident uses both protected spring water as well as municipal water supply, depending on the brand.
Once inside, the water goes through a filtration and purification process. Water is consistently tested at each step of the manufacturing facility. There is an on-site water quality lab where technicians and engineers check for a variety of contaminants in order to make sure consumers get the highest quality final product.
There are multiple different steps that we take to make sure that the product that we're putting into a bottle for our consumers is the absolute cleanest and clearest and safest product that any one of us could drink.
Blue Trident makes bottles inside the facility. Each bottle starts as resin pellets that are heated and molded into preforms. From there, the preforms are blown into bottles that we use every day. Once blown, the bottles are filled, capped, labeled, and packaged for distribution.
What makes Blue Trident so special is its dedication to people and safety.
Yeah, we definitely have a safety-first approach. You know, your safety is just as important as my safety, so we all look out for each other on the production floor.
There's also a lot of opportunity in the field for young people looking to pursue a career.
There's so many really young, smart people that can make a huge difference in all of the technological advancements.
Wow, I really learned a lot. Are you sure that humans don't want salt water in their water?
No.
Nice and fresh, and that's what's so cool about manufacturing.